many times have you said to yourself or your clients have said to you, I know I need to foam roll, but I find it so painful and I don't find it enjoyable? Well, let's make foam rolling more like a nice deep tissue massage. When you have a massage, if you think about the environment that you're in, usually it's a nice warm table, and the massage therapist usually asks you, what kind of scent would you like? Well, for me, it's lavender. I love lavender oil. So this is what you need to do. You grab some lavender oil or whatever relaxes you. Let's put it that way. Place a little bit on your wrists and rub them together and then just breathe in the scent. Immediately you'll feel a calming sensation just from, a relaxing oil. Then what kind of roller you use also can dictate, how you enjoy or lack thereof. Now, for me, my preferred roller is the roll gun. And the reason for that is it's contoured. So literally your tissue is floating within what I call valleys and ridges. And you can always, kind of alternate on and off the different areas of this roller and what feels better to you. But more than anything, whatever kind of roller that you have, you want to think about it as therapeutic and relaxing as opposed to, oh, this is something I have to do. And when we think of something, oh, I got to do this, I know it's better for me, et cetera, we have a tendency to put it off. So if we change our mindset slightly, I think you might find that this is something that you can start to integrate into your daily activities. So here's just a sample. Where's one of the most painful parts of our body to actually manipulate? Is going to be our quads. Our quads are used all the time, from squatting, getting up, getting down, walking, et cetera, et cetera. And when you think about the work that these muscles put in on a daily basis, it's a lot, same as your hamstrings. And we'll do that on another time. But you start here and you breathe in the oil. And then you simply say to yourself, I am relaxed. This is an enjoyable experience. Once you place your thighs on the roller and you find that spot that is uncomfortable, pause on it and breathe in the oil. And then move on to another spot and keep repeating this process. And then you're going to start to find when you actually start to what I call floss the tissue or massage the tissue. After doing this a few times, you're going to start to find that, oh, this is pleasurable. This actually feels nice. So not only are you sort of changing what's going on with the chemistry of the tissue, but you're also creating a mental feeling as well of relaxation and surrendering into it. That way, we're going to have, a much more pleasurable experience during this process of myofascial release. And once again, there's going to be parts of your body that are more sensitive than others. And keep trying that. Keep inhaling, the smell that relaxes you, and see if that makes this experience something that you would like to do on a regular basis rather than once in a great while. This is Leslie, and here's a few little tips to keep us healthy and happy and thriving into 2025.